Hello everybody, this is Syncretic 3D, and in this video, we will be making the Bender Noise node. Now to create the Bender Noise node, all we need to do is grab our noise texture, which we will be bending, plug it into a object coordinate here. That way it distributes evenly. Let's render this out and see how it looks so far. Yeah, we want to bend this texture. So we'll add a Bender texture node that I made in a previous video. You can see that right up here. And I'll use the object coordinate here, the vector, plug into here. No effect whatsoever. We'll add another noise texture right here, use the object coordinate right here, and plug this into the color slot. Now we can see it's working wonders. Now we need to group this together right here, Control G. Make sure it's using the same vector socket. Now we need to control the influence, which we'll leave at 0.5 by default. 0.5, use the minimum and maximum values here. And also the scale. We also need the detail. But we're going to want a range instead of a value. So we'll grab a range node, plug into here, plug this into the detail level, and let's set this to 16 by maximum, and plug this into the new input here. Move this right here and call this detail. And move the vector down to the bottom here. Like so. Now call this Bender Noise. Now you can see above the value of 0.2, it looks exactly the same all the way through, up to the value of 1. So we need to add a curve. RGB curve, right here, and make this into a slope. Might work a little bit better. Yeah, a little more slope down like this. Like so. Much better. Alright, and now we'll create a fake user and put it with the other nodes I made. Alright, and that's how you make the Bender Noise node. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and look out for future videos. Alright, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.